Hey everyone, we are starting our PowerUp workshops soon, very soon. Move Tech Fun PowerUp workshops, empowering children with confident learning and achievement using research-based strategies through in-person and on-demand workshops. We will be in person in Rockford and around the world, no matter where you live. So here are your instructions for t-shirts. Move Tech Fun PowerUp t-shirts. So the t-shirts are going to have a sun on the front, which shows energy. We're going to have lots of energy and power in our workshops. So the t-shirt has to be a white t-shirt. Big sun on the front. Make the sun yellow, orange, and red. Big colorful face on the sun, and put your child's name somewhere. There are lots of ideas here that you can take a look at. A nice brightly colored sun. The sun really should be yellow, red, and orange. The face on the sun, you can make that any color you want to on the face. And you've got to have the words power up on there and the child's name somewhere on the front of the t-shirt. So there's a lot of ideas of what you can make this look like. The back of the t-shirt is power. So the front is energy with the sun, but the word power up. On the back, it's a white t-shirt, the same t-shirt. The same t-shirt, this is the back of the same t-shirt. A white t-shirt, a big lightning bolt in the middle. The lightning bolt is yellow with a black outline. And then other fun pictures. You can put any other fun pictures you want on it. Also the Power Up title, and then put the child's name on somewhere. So these are some ideas. You can make them any way you want to. But you've got to have a lightning bolt in the middle. And the word Power Up. And then all kinds of other little cutesy titles and little cutesy images and things that you want to. And make it your own. Looking forward to seeing you all. Our kids in our workshops are all going to be using their t-shirts. If you want more information, here is the website.